In this video, we are looking at how to discover the hottest niches for mini apps you should try right now to make money faster. I've personally identified 5 high-demand utility niches where people are ready to drop $20 or $30 for a quick solution. And I'm going to show you exactly which ones are cashing in right now. In our last video, go watch it if you haven't, I showed you the lazy way to build a functional mini app in Canva without a single line of code and without hiring a developer and without spending thousands of dollars either. Today, we're going to move from the how to the what. If you want to start selling online right now, you need to pick a niche that isn't just popular. It needs to be utility hungry. That's what I call it. I will explain it all in a minute. So stick with me. The secret to a profitable mini app is solving one specific annoying problem so well that people feel a micro buy of $20 or $30 is a steal. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to share 5 high demand niches perfectly suited for the Canva mini app model right now and in 2026. Yes, we are officially in the utility era. The days of people buying 100-page ebooks and actually reading them are over. In 2026, the fastest way to start making money online is stop selling information and start selling tools and solutions. Give me a few minutes of your time to give you the keys to that kingdom. I'm revealing the 5 hottest, most profitable niches for mini apps that you can build in Canva tonight and start selling by tomorrow morning. If you want to jump ahead of the competition, pay close attention to this video because these ideas are designed to solve the exact problems people are ready to pay for right now. First on the list is the post-meal glucose assistant, which I call the health authority. You can agree that most people care about their health, right? But we're not going broad with this. You have to be specific. So we are going to target the glucose spike awareness trend. For any natural remedy or healing channel, this is a gold mine. People are wearing continuous glucose monitors all the time, but they don't know what to do when their sugar spikes. You can build a 10-minute movement timer. It's a 3-page app. Page 1 would start with movement. That would be the movement button. Page 2, a simple video loop of a lazy seated exercise or a power walk. Page 3 would be a log it button. You wouldn't be giving medical advice. Instead, you'd be giving them a habit trigger. This is a high perceived value tool because it's used exactly when the user is in a panic mode about their health. The second niche on the list is an airport survival dashboard, which provides a solution to travelers' problems. You don't need a travel channel to do this, and you can use this as an example for related niches. I'm going to explain all of that. You would be creating this specifically for the person who thinks travel is stressful, and honestly, we've all been there. Stuck at the gate, departure gate, stressed and digging through emails for information. The Airport Survival Mini App is a one-stop shop. You would create buttons for a TSA-ready checklist, a flight delay meditation, and a gate-to-gate time calculator. When someone is stressed in an airport, they don't want to browse a blog. They want an icon on their home screen on their phone that tells them exactly how to survive the next 2 hours. This is a perfect microbuy for $15 to $25 product. Niche idea number 3 is an AI prompt library for busy content creators like yourself. I call this the business utility tool. If you have a channel that caters to small creators, then you know that they're always looking for speed. And also the hottest niche in business right now is prompt engineering for the lazy. So instead of selling a guide to AI, sell a pocket prompt app. Tappable buttons for instant Instagram caption, YouTube title generator, or email subject line fixer. When they tap a button, it opens a page with a perfectly formatted prompt that they can copy and paste into ChatGPT. You are selling convenience. And in 2026, convenience is the most expensive commodity on the market. Number 4 is a micro niche habit tracker, which I call the lifestyle specialist. General habit trackers are dead. There are a million free ones online. But this is where you can shine because the money is in the specifics. An example is building a 21-day solo traveler's safety log or a nature-focused mindfulness timer that plays bird sounds directly in the app. Think about a specific community like apartment gardeners or tiny house, people that own tiny homes. Build a mini app that tracks their specific needs. Because it's so specialized, there is zero competition. You become the go-to authority for that micro niche instantly. Niche number 5 is the Affiliate Hub app, which I call the Monetization Modernizer. This is the absolute lazy way to do affiliate marketing. Stop sending people to a boring link in bio page. Build a custom personal recommendation app. Categorize your favorite gear into beautiful interactive buttons. You could label the app My Travel Essentials, My Health Routine, My Tech Setup. Each button leads to a page with your affiliate links. This turns a boring list of affiliate links into a curated shopping experience. It feels like a high-end concierge service, but it's just a clever Canva site. I created one for my travel channel and added a must-have travel essentials that every traveler needs for an international trip, and it sells like hotcakes. The reason those niches work so well is that they are built for the add to home screen hack that we talked about in the previous video. You aren't just another tab open in their browser. You're an icon on their phone home screen. If you haven't yet watched that part 1 video, please do so after you finish watching this one. To make money faster with it, though, I recommend the free to premium bridge. Let me explain. Give away a light version of your app, like a basic checklist to capture their email addresses. Then inside that free app, you have an Unlock Pro feature that links to your Stan store or your Gumroad store. This is how you build an email list and a bank account at the same time. If you want a deeper dive into how to make money outside of YouTube AdSense program, my Creator Income Workshop Bundle will get you started today. It's jam-packed with more unique ways to make money while you wait for your channel to be monetized. And don't forget to grab my free ebook, 7 Juicy Ways to Monetize Outside of the YouTube Partner Program, so that you know exactly how to scale these mini apps once you launch them. The hottest niches are the ones that save people time and provide solutions. So pick one of these 5 today, open Canva and build it. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly where to host these apps and how to set up your store so that you can get your first sale while you sleep. Thanks for watching.